Hey, good morning, physical science students. This is Wednesday, September 9th. Today is our asynchronous day, so we will not see each other. Keep in mind, if you ever have any questions, you can always send myself or Miss Adland an email. Let us know you're struggling. If you're confused about things, we can help you. All right, but you got to let us know. So here is your to-do list for Wednesday. So I'm inside week 2 of our class. I'm going to scroll down to Wednesday. Number one, make sure you take your daily attendance. You click that link, tell us who you are, what today's date is, take attendance. We started speed and velocity notes on Friday of last week, of Thursday last week. Make sure you continue speed and velocity notes. Finish those notes up. What I did is I created a loom here. This is a speed notes explained. So I went through all the notes and kind of explained each of those things. And then the last thing that you're going to do is you're going to take the velocity and speed quiz. So there's a short quiz that we have. It's linked right here. You need to click on that and take that quiz as well. So try to get all this done today, and we will discuss. We'll discuss today's plan tomorrow when we meet as a class. All right. So make sure you do the best that you can. Ask if you have any questions. All right. Have a great day.